Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a little different. We decided we're going to go peach picking at the Everafter Farms in Mims, Florida. My fiance found this ad on Facebook, so we thought it was pretty interesting. We've only been blueberry picking before, and we had no idea that there was a peach picking farm not too far from our house. So we're gonna give it a shot. The drive in Everafter Farms is beautiful, and y'all check out this tractor. How darling. This place is amazing, and it's a beautiful day. Look at those blue skies. Here's my man picking out his peaches. They basically give you a couple of baskets, and you just pick as many peaches as you want, and they charge $5 per pound. So you get your baskets, and then they weigh them at the end. These particular peaches are called Tropic Beauties. And this is our haul, a little over 5 pounds. They also sell a delicious peach lemonade, and you get to keep the cup. We decided to go over to the barn where they host weddings or celebrations. Check out this old Ford truck right out front. Oh my goodness, if you are in the Space Coast, Florida area and you're having a wedding, I highly recommend this place. It's beautiful, it's quiet, it's precious. This place is amazing. This is where they hold cocktail hour. Of course, this is where the ceremony would be. It's surrounded by magnolia trees and gardenia bushes. The smell is amazing. There was a young lady that was setting up for a wedding for that day, and she saw me taking video and pictures, and she asked me, she said, "Do you want to take a peek inside?" I said yes immediately. Look at this venue. This venue is stunning. This is the reception in the barn. This place is amazing. Just breathtaking. Check out all these details, the chandeliers, the tables, the cake area, the table for the presents and cards, just absolutely beautiful. This is a table for the presents and the cards. The decor they already have. I guess the couple just picks out what theme they want, and Everafter Farms just sets it up for them. It's beautiful. The bride and groom, they get their own spot, their own couch. It is absolutely breathtaking. I am truly grateful to the young lady that let me and my fiance in so that we could see this. This is amazing. Here's a really good shot of the bride and groom head table. It's so beautiful. Everafter Farms did an amazing job. They also have a bridal suite and a groom suite. I didn't get the groom suite, but I did get a peek at the bridal suite. Look at this. This is adorable. This is where the girls are going to get ready. I don't know whose wedding this is, but I'm so happy for her. After we left the Everafter Farms, we decided to go to downtown Titusville and eat at Burger Rob's. It's amazing. It's one of our favorite spots to eat lunch. And here's a mural painted on the side of the building. Burger Rob's is located in quaint downtown historic area of Titusville, and he started as a food truck, and now he has a brick and mortar, and we go every chance we get. Here's the menu if you want to take a peek. As soon as you go in, you just go to the line, you order what you want, they give you a number, and you put that on your table of choice. We ordered the mesquite sweet potato fries for the first time. They're delicious. My guy got a mushroom Swiss quad patty burger, 4 patties, 4. He ate every bit of it. It is delicious. I tried the new chicken smash patties, I guess burgers. I don't know. Anyway, the girl at the register was telling me about it. I said, that's what I want. That's the one I want. It was amazing. Okay, friends, I know this was a little bit of a different video than what I normally do, but I just wanted to share my Saturday with you. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.